Morning guys, Rich here. I'm down at JJ Customs in San Jose, and this morning I'm going to be taking a look at the Redcat Camo TT trophy truck. This has caught my eye for a couple of reasons. You will notice I'm holding it in one hand because it is absolutely feather light. Should be an absolute rocket ship with the brushless power it's got on board. Anyway, I'm going to put it on stand and take a closer look at it. As ever guys, if you like this stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, well with the Redcat Camo TT, four-wheel drive, powered by a brushless 3300 kV motor on it, I have to say it should absolutely fly along. The way it looks like it should weigh more than it does. There, let's go. We've got a spare wheel on the back there. Solid rear axle on there, so it should be able to lay that brushless power down without any worries whatsoever. And quite a neat scale look to it actually, quite liking that colour scheme. Let me know what you think though guys. Okay, now getting the body off, I've got two conventional clips at the front, also got two at the rear here, which indicates to me that this whole entire cage comes up complete with the body. So checking that out. So mini exoskeleton struck roll cage at the back of the case. So with the body off, what have we got with the Redcat Camo TT? Well, first thing that jumps out, rear mounted battery tray, so it's going to get the weight over that back axle, which is going to help deploy that brushless power. Speaking of that back axle, do check out that suspension setup. We'll do a suspension test in a minute. Looks fairly rigid, beefy plastic in there. As I say, this thing is very, very lightweight indeed. And our brushless 3300 kV motor there, just spinning on round. Tire tread looks good. And of note on here, not only have we got fully adjustable shocks and everything at the front, but we've also got fully adjustable suspension turnbuckle setup on there. Let's just have a quick pan down the car. Nice front impact bumper. As I say, I think this thing should absolutely fly along. Very, very lightweight indeed. Do let me know what you think of it guys. And I've knocked down there next to the motor, we've got our centre diff, so it should be able to lay this power down fairly easily. Okay, quick pan down the underside of the car. So that a rear end looks quite nice and beefy to my mind. Anyway, quick suspension test. Okay, lift the front wheel as ever until the rear one just begins to come up. Man, that's probably got 4.5 inches of travel on there. Quite nicely damped. Let's check the rear out. Yeah, lift that rear wheel till the front begins to come up. Ooh, we've got loads of travel on the rear there. Loads, mammoth amount. I would say 6 inches plus on the rear. Was not expecting that. Quite nicely damped to my mind guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that short preview of the Redcat Camo TT. I think this should be an absolute flying machine given that lightweight and the 3300 kV brushless power. This is way lighter than anything by Traxxas etc. that is on the market today. Anyway guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. As ever, you want to see this car or any of the ones for sale down here at JJ Customs in San Jose, links to them below the video, where you can come down and see cars like this Redcat Camo TT in person. Come down, take it off the shelf, take the load off it and have a great look at it. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe guys. Well guys, if you'd like to see the Redcat Camo TT in person or learn a little more about it, then don't hesitate to contact JJ Customs on one of the above links, or ideally get yourself down there because this car and all of the cars that they have in stock are unboxed, meaning that you can go down there, take it off the shelf, take the lid off it and have a good look around it before making your decision on which one to buy.